will only take 2 hours a day, 14 hours a week, and 60 hours a month to make a passive income money machine with YouTube. The owner of this YouTube channel has probably made around several $1,000,000 with this channel. The crazy thing is, they have posted 8,300 videos, and that's how they have managed to get 44.6 million subscribers. I know what you are thinking, uploading 8,300 videos is not an easy task. This is the result of years of dedication and consistency. YouTube automation is not an easy money method, you must work hard for it. Making just normal videos is not enough to become successful. Your videos should not be boring. If you want to make viral videos, you need to make them more engaging, funny, and interesting. In this video, I will show you how to create viral videos for this niche. There is a secret tool that I found that you can use to create viral videos for any niche. For this process, I'm going to be using it. So stay tuned. This niche is basically about fascinating scientific facts. Today, we are going to make long-form viral videos for this niche. So, you can make a lot of money with a channel like this because YouTube pays around $2 for every 1,000 views for long videos in this niche. So, let's start with the process. The first thing you need to do is find video ideas for this niche. As usual, we can use ChatGPT for that. I have created this specific prompt to generate these topics. But make sure to change it a little bit. If not, you will get the same results every time. As you can see here, these topics are great, but I'm not going to use them directly. We need to make these catchy and interesting. As an example, this topic is the physics of time travel. Instead of using this, we can change it to time travel is real, new method reveal. You can instantly grab the viewer's attention by using catchy titles like this. Let's select this topic and create a video for it. The first thing we must do is create a good video script. As you all know, we can easily use ChatGPT for that. But the problem with that is if we directly use that script, it will probably sound like an AI-generated script for your viewers. That's not a good thing. That's why I'm going to use this new AI tool to create a script for my video. The name of this AI is Dupdub. Not only video scripts, this AI tool is an all-in-one AI tool for script generation, text-to-speech, AI voice cloning, video editing, video-to-script, and AI sound effects. Let's start with creating the script. Go to this AI voiceover option. Here you can see this Ask AI to Write option. Click this and select YouTube and video script. Now, type about the video you are going to create and click this button. This AI will create the video script in a few seconds. If you read this script, you will understand that it is much better, and it actually sounds like a unique and human-written script. Let me show you another cool way to create a video script using Dupdub and ChatGPT. Let's say you find a viral video in your niche, and you want to make a similar video, but if you copy the original video, it's unethical, and it will bring a lot of trouble. So, what you can do is you can get the idea and create a similar video script. As an example, if you want to make a similar video to this one, all you need to do is copy this video script, go to Dupdub, and select this AI transcription option. Now, you can either upload the video you want to transcribe, or you can select this YouTube option and paste the link to that video, then just select the language of the video and click this transcribe option. Within a few seconds, this AI will transcribe that video. Now you need to copy this script and go to ChatGPT, then ask ChatGPT to rewrite this script in a unique way and make it 100% new. And just like that, now you have a viral video script. After you are done with that process, we need to make voiceovers for this script. Again, we can use Dupdub for this process. Just go to this AI voiceover feature and copy the script part by part like this. Now, you can select the tone of your video from here. I'm going to select this excited tone, and there are a lot of ultra-realistic AI voices available. Check these voices and select the best one for your channel. Now you can edit the speed and pitch of this specific voice using these bars. After everything is completed, click this export button, select the MP3 option, and generate the voiceovers. Within a few seconds, it will be automatically downloaded. Let's say you want to use your own voice for this video. Dupdub has this crazy feature where you can easily clone your voice and use it on your videos. Just go to this instant voice cloning feature. Here you can give it a name and upload a sample recording of your voice, and then you need to add the language, accent, and other characteristics related to the voice you want. And this AI will clone your voice. Isn't that really amazing and easy? You don't need to use expensive equipment to record your own voice. There is another cool feature. You can make a talking avatar with this AI tool. As you can see here, you can use any of these AI talking avatars in your videos. So, this AI is really amazing. If you want to try this AI tool, use the link in the description. They offer a 3-day free trial period as well. Now, we need to download some stock footages and generate some images related to this script. You can use pexels.com to download videos. Download all the necessary video clips from this website. You can use these stock videos without any copyright issues. After that, let's go to Leonardo AI and generate several images for this script. Just read the script and create eye-catching images for some scenes. No need to create images for all the scenes because we are using stock footage as well. So, just like this, create several images. With that, we have all the materials to edit the video. Let's use CapCut to create the final output. You can download this video editor for free, and it's very simple to use. Open CapCut and start a new project. You need to select a 16:9 ratio because this is going to be a long video. Then, click this import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voiceover to the timeline like this. Then, you need to add the suitable footage and images on top of it in the correct order and make sure that these clips match the video script. So just like this, add all the videos to the timeline. Now, go to transitions. There are a lot of transitions available here. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. After you add all the transitions, go to this adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence like this. Then, if you go to this side menu, you can edit the colors of this video. By using these colored bars, you can edit the color tone of the video. And using these options, you can basically change anything. And if you go to this curves option, you can control the overall brightness of the video. So, play with these and make your video more attractive and engaging. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to text from this top menu, select auto captions, and click this generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. Now, we need to edit these captions to stand out more. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Now, select all the captions and go to animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. After that, the video is completed. Let's watch the final output.
Imagine if you could go back in time and witness the birth of the universe, or jump forward to see the future of humanity. It sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that real scientific theories suggest time travel might be possible? Time travel has been a fascinating concept in science fiction for decades, but it's more than just a product of our imagination. Physicists have explored the boundaries of our understanding of space and time, revealing some mind-bending possibilities. One of the most popular theories is based on Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, time isn't a constant. It's flexible, and it bends under the influence of gravity. This phenomenon is called time dilation.
This is perfect. Just like this, you can create videos for this niche. What you must remember is posting just 1 or 2 videos will not get you 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. You have to be consistent and keep uploading videos. For this niche, don't talk about boring topics. With that, today's video has come to an end. I will meet you guys in the next video with a brand new niche idea.